our first day here in Singapore. Is making coffee.
See you with me?
Akong bed kay limpyo kayo. Ilang bed? There. Hi! We just got out from the hotel and we're going to have breakfast. So it's around like 10 a.m. Then after we're going to the National Stadium to get our merch, VIP merch. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, so that's it. Going to 7-Eleven para magtaong lunch, breakfast day. Safe choice. Immediately for the win. Karon, baktas mi padulong National Stadium. Pero di man miss ito. Mawala lagi apon ni. Mawala lang daw. Tapi kainit teris. So hot. So, apit na misa, National Stadium. Yes, we're here. We're gonna claim our VIP merch. Oh my gosh, so excited! Taylor Swift. We're gonna see you na yun. Oh my gosh. We're gonna see you now. Naklaim the VIP merch here. OMG! Kasi sa pillow. Taas kayo pula sa merch. Init pa di kaayo. Napanalunan. Last year. Gahot yarn. We are in Hotel Ora and we are checking in our room. Dalawang ito ang mga availers. Charlan. Haggard kita. I have a room tour. So we're so blessed because we were able to have this room for free, good, and salamat kayo, Lord. So, mag-room tour na ta. So, mao niya mga nadaugan na room. Mao niya akong nadaugan na room sa Hotel Ora, sa Resorts World, Sentosa, Singapore. So, start na sa CR. So, bongga kayo siya, day. Tas na shower. Tapos with all the ano siya, mga ano, body lotion, Colgate, nail file comb, dental kit, shaving kit, cotton buds. Yes. Hi mom, this is for you. And then go ta sa room. So, sigday lang na music eh. Maten mo yung concert. So, ani morning room, no. Gwapo ko ay siya. Oh my gosh. And then, tag Taylor Swift. Naatay. Cabinet. So, na ay hair dryer, laundry bag, more pillow, extra pillow, mas ganito, sleepers, hotel sleepers. Tapos, bathroom. Tapos, we're gonna staying here for 2 days and 1 night. And then, on siya, ang table. Na siya, ano no, kanang coffee maker. Tapos, pinita nagtubig. Tapos, ano yung mga libre? Libre ang mga coffee pads. Coffee pads, mas ibitawagan na. Hindi mo ko ginom kape. Tapos, kanwi tea. Tapos, very kay ref. Oh no. And this is Free good. Oh my gosh. Milk na yung milk. Tapos na yung mga Pellegrino. Pure water. Coke. Okay. So, kani siya. Tara sila, oh. And then, we're gonna go out for the view. And this is the view. So, morning view, no? Monang cable car. Tira, cable car na siya going to Sentosa. Tapos, kanimo ni. Tapos, thank you, Jud kayo, Lord. Kinakadaog mi ani. Gitiming gid siya, no? Para sa concert ni Taylor Swift. And kanang maka-experience with me of luxury na hotel. Thank you, Lord. Kumusta kayo? Why are you there?